Hey everybody, today we are going to cover up the last of the chrome on our Model Y, which is the logos, with a logo cover kit. So in the box you just get the two-piece logo. So a couple of things about this. The arc on the rear T, especially on Model Y, is very close to the T. So we've made this mold very thin so that we still get a clear gap between the main part of the logo and the arc on top of the T. But it's something you need to pay attention to when installing it. So I'm going to rip this apart, starting with the main section. You'll see there's easy peel tabs on the back, of course. We've already prepped this with an alcohol wipe. So what we're going to do is sort of hook it on top of the T and then just apply some pressure, but always kind of pulling down on it gently as well, like so. And that way we're maintaining this gap across the top. I'm going to grab this other piece. Probably should have brought some scissors with me. There we go. Same thing, just peel off the 3M tape, and then so kind of the opposite here. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to kind of hook it underneath the arc and deliberately sort of push up as I apply the pressure, like so. And hopefully you can see there's still a very small gap. That's as best as we could do. A lot of the ones you see sold on Amazon are actually a single piece, just with a bevel sort of routed or routed into here. So this maintains that gap. It's a nice satin black. It matches the plate and the other logos that I'll flash up during the video. And obviously it's super easy to install as well. And once it's on there, it's not going anywhere. So this is the rear for Model Y. We're going to go around and do the front now on Model Y, which is also compatible with the front of Model 3. And then we're working on a design which will also take care of the rear on Model 3 to match the new non-chrome trim. Okay, here we are at the front. So same thing in the pack, just the two-piece logo. I was smart enough to cut it this time before starting the video. And there's not a lot of consistency in how Tesla do their logos, but this one has a larger gap at the top as well, so it makes it a little bit easier. But we're going to go ahead and do the main section first. Take that out, peel off the backing, and again just kind of hook it on top and then apply some, putting it down with your, I'm left-handed, but putting it down from the bottom of the T and just apply some pressure. Okay, oops, I'm going to do the same with the top piece. Go. And there you have it. If I bring the camera in a bit closer, so you'll see that it's pretty sharp, and then obviously that is literally the last of the chrome on our Model Y. And I should say that this is also compatible with the front T on Model 3, and then we're working on the rear T as well. So time recording is middle to end of January, so hopefully by late February, early March we'll have the Model 3 rear version as well. Thanks for watching.